the nice thing, I told Kelly, if you really needed that parking space, those cars are little enough where you kind of pick it up and move it.
Yeah, really. Or just bump it forward because they're not very heavy.
No doubt.
Okay, well, Bruce is here now, and here we are. We've made it past the midpoint of February.
Yep.
People want to know, are we going to get any snow around here?
You know, I've had that question over and over again, and I describe their chances like this: going, but not gone.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
How about that? That's how I describe it, and I'm going to back that up for you on our dwindling chances for snow. And yes, they are dwindling when it comes to sticking snow on the valley floor. But I just finished going through the numbers all the way back to 1884, and I've looked at days with accumulating snow by month since that time, and I'm talking about downtown Portland. So that's what we're working with here. Check this out. You know, December, 122 days with accumulating snow in downtown Portland since 1884. All of a sudden, January spikes, and this is the month that I often say it's prime time for snow in January. 310 days with accumulating snow in Portland. Then you get to February, and you're down to 132 days. I mean, our snow chances really are headed down, but better than December overall. And if we make it to next month, and we haven't had any accumulating snow, look at this. Just 54 times since 1884 have we had sticking snow in downtown Portland. So the odds are pretty low, but not zero. So we'll see what happens. But I'll tell you, in the next week, the snow levels are coming down. They're low, probably down to around 1,500 feet tonight, but not even close to the valley floor. We've got light rain across parts of the I-5 corridor, some pockets of moderate rain off towards the foothills of the Cascades, and cruising across parts of Washington County, and then up over, well, towards those of you in Highway 30, St. Helens, you're about to get hit by a decent shower. But so far, most places have been missed by anything that would accumulate. 42 degrees right now in Beaverton, and not enough rain in the bucket to measure. 48 was the high today in Portland. We should be in the low 50s. We're unusually cool from one edge of Oregon to the other, and that's kind of a switch from what we've done so much this month, where we've had a lot of mild air. There's a line of rain that's moving on shore right now. This is going to drop some snow in the higher elevations of the Coast Range and then move inland as a while tonight we'll have some wet weather moving through our skies. Once that's passed, and there's that line right there, then we're dealing with something different altogether. Cool air and showers streaming into our skies, and most of these, I think, actually drop south of us tomorrow. We may get clipped by a few, but most likely that would be earlier in the day. Now, I want to show you the big picture first. Here's the wide view of Oregon, and notice offshore. I want you to see how everything drops south. The storm center spinning right there offshore, and see how it just takes all the moisture from us by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, except for in the Cascades. Now, let's look at some specifics now here in the metro area. This is tonight. Here comes that band of rain I showed you along the coast. It's with us for a good chunk of the evening. Then it's snow up on Mount Hood. 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Watch for some snow showers over some of the Coast Range passes, but everything's hit and miss. We'll have areas of sun and some showers as we go through the day. Raincast wants to keep us in the northern valley from about Salem north dry through the day tomorrow. That may not be exactly right. I've seen cases like this where you do get some showers that pop up. So I bet we'll have some sun and then some pop-up showers as the day progresses. And by tomorrow evening, well, there shouldn't be much left. So here we go. 49 for a high tomorrow. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm along the coast or small hail. A few scattered showers for the valley tomorrow. East of the Cascades, mostly cloudy and a few scattered showers. 37 for a morning low in Portland and 50 for a high. Partly sunny with a chance of showers. And I think our lows tonight, they're chilly. They're back into the 30s again. But our highs tomorrow will be a little warmer, around 51 degrees. So a chance of a shower as the day goes on. Mainly dry on Wednesday. Thursday through the weekend look much wetter than the weather we've seen in a few weeks now. So I think we're going to get some decent amounts of rain to play catch up because we are way behind.
Yeah. Thank you, Bruce.